नाज़रीन, इस वक्त मैं जहाँ पर बैठा हूँ, मेरे दाएं जानिब मगरिब है और मेरे बाएं जानिब मशरिक है। ये जो दो भाई साहब हैं, ये दोनों पाकिस्तान से हैं, इस्लामाबाद से हैं और दोनों बाय प्रोफेशन डॉक्टर्स हैं। इनसे भी बात करेंगे, यहाँ पर रह रहे हैं, मुझे नहीं मालूम कि पढ़ रहे हैं अभी यहाँ पर, मजीद स्पेशलाइजेशन कर रहे हैं या फिर यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं, इनसे पूछेंगे। और ये जो हमारे साथ हैं, ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उसके लिए काम करते हैं, चैरिटी की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, इनसे भी पूछेंगे और पाकिस्तान के हवाले से जो हम सवाल पूछ रहे हैं वो भी पूछेंगे। इससे पहले कि मैं आपकी तरफ आऊँ, मैं इनसे पूछ लूँ। ओके, हेलो,
Hi,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Rory.
Rory.
Yeah.
Rory, what is your organization?
Okay.
What is it for?
It's called the Encompass Trust, and we bring together young people from around the world, from Indonesia, Israel, Palestine, America, and the UK, to try and bridge the gaps that exist between us as people, so we can break stereotypes.
Okay, you just said United States, UK,
Yeah.
Israel,
Yeah.
and Palestine.
and Indonesia.
Palestine and Israel I do understand, because there's a huge gap between the two countries, because there's a conflict between the two countries, so you need to bridge in the gaps. But as far as US, UK are concerned, I don't think there are any gaps, man.
Okay. Well, there always are, because we all have stereotypes and blanket people under certain guises as we understand them. And what we really want to do is bridge the gap between the Islamic world and the Western world.
That's a very important thing.
Yeah.
So that was my next question. Have you included Pakistan in that list?
Well, no, we include Indonesia, which is the biggest Muslim country in the world, and we're here trying to raise the funds so we can try and expand our work to include countries like Pakistan, because we realise that we have to expand our work to bridge those gaps that do exist.
What do you know about Pakistan? Tell me your perception of Pakistan.
My perception of Pakistan is that it's going through a troubled time because of the problems in the tribal lands and the lack of sort of central government controlling all the areas, and the Afghan war, I think, is heavily involved with the problems in Pakistan. And I heard about the recent NATO bombing on a Pakistani military.
What is your opinion on it, the recent NATO strike?
I think it's disgusting that a Western country would unilaterally bomb a sovereign country's military base without there being any sort of conflict between them officially. I think it's wrong, and that's why I think that we need to talk to each other to try and act as one humanity.
Okay, and what would you say about the recent NATO strikes on the Pakistani soil, which killed around 24 soldiers?
Well, I mean, I think these things are always really difficult, and it's important to be able to sort of get different opinions out there and make sure that they're all heard and they're all, given credence, and that it's just sort of not sort of one position or one governing body that's given sort of.
Don't you condemn this incident?
Oh, I think it's terrible. It's definitely terrible. Yeah.
Okay, you seem to be an Asian. Where are you from?
I'm from originally from India.
What's your name?
Nasira.
Nasira, you're a Muslim as well?
I am, yes.
Okay, Nasira, how does it feel to live in Britain as a Muslim?
Actually, I love living in Britain, as I was born here, and I don't think I could, I consider Britain as my home.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rory, for talking to us. And thank you very much, you too. And thank you very much, Nasira, as well. I'd love you guys to include Pakistan in the list of the countries that you
give us some money.
ओके नाज़रीन, ये एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो कि काम करती है मुख्तलिफ ममालिक में यंगस्टर्स को इकट्ठा करती है, एक जगह पर लेकर आती है, एक दूसरे के साथ उन्हें इंटरेक्ट करवाती है ताकि जो दूरियां हैं, जो फासले हैं, वो ख़त्म हो सके। और उसमें पाकिस्तान का नाम नहीं है उस लिस्ट में जिन ममालिक को इन्होंने शामिल किया हुआ है। मैंने इनसे कहा कि पाकिस्तान को शामिल करें, तो ये कह रहे हैं कि जी हम करेंगे, हमें थोड़े से पैसे दें। तो मैं थोड़े से पैसे देने लगा हूँ अभी। ऐसा है कि हम कहते हैं कि मगरिब से हम एड लेते हैं, लेकिन आज ये तारीख और ये कैमरा गवाह है कि पाकिस्तान ने मगरिब को एड दी है। ठीक है, ये देख लें जी, ये रिकॉर्ड हो गया। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू गाइस। ओके, यहाँ पर पैसे ज़्यादा मिलेंगे तो आप यहीं पे सेटल हो जाएंगे, पाकिस्तान वापस जाने का इरादा नहीं है?
एग्जैक्टली ये नहीं, हमारा हर किसी के सर्कमस्टांसिस के अकॉर्डिंगली बिहेव करता है वो।